Hello, I am Sumit Basu. Welcome to my channel. Let's start the AP for all boards for class 10 standard. So today is the introduction of the AP for the students of class 10. So what is an AP actually? A sequence is called an AP or an arithmetic progression if the difference of a term and the previous term is always same. So mind is what this is always same, and this difference is called the common difference. It is also known as, and AP, the terms of AP must be of all belongs to natural number. So always keep in mind. For examples, uh, number one, you can say, for example, 1 4 7 1 4 7 10 and dot. So here see 4 minus, here 4 minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 10 minus 7 equal to, so everywhere 3. So previous term, if the difference of a term and the previous term is always same. So this is the term and this previous term is always same, so it is 3. Similarly, number 2, 11 7 3 minus 1 dot. So here we can take for examples. So here 7 minus 11 previous term and its previous terms, 3 minus 7 minus 1 minus 3, so everywhere minus 4. So this is D and this is also D. So this is an AP. So this is an AP, you understood. Now general term of an AP. Note, important notice, note, if a n plus 1 minus a n equal to what? Equal to D is independent of n, then the series is an AP. Remember, this is independent of n. If no n term is involved with it, then it is no. This is the introduction actually. General term. General term of an AP. That is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you can get any term. This is very important formula. Okay, important formula. Keep it in mind. The first formula, basic formula. For examples, example. Okay, as you are the beginner, it is the first term. This is the first term in number of terms, and D is the common difference. Okay. So now let's find for this series, suppose. Find 1, 2, 3, 4. T 18 term. Find AN. 18th, 17, 18, 17 term. 17 term of 1, 4, 7, 10. So this one taking, okay. So here see A equal to 1, D equal to common difference, we should know common difference 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore A 17 equal to N equal to 17. So A 17, so 17 term equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Applying this formula, we can do what? Applying this formula, we can do important part of this is A is 1, so 17 minus 1 into 3. So it is 1 plus 16 into 3. So 1 plus 48 equal to 48 plus 1, 49. So therefore 17th term is 49. This is the answer. So I hope this is not difficult. So this is an minus 1, this is the very beginning. So when the series differ by a constant, it's called arithmetic progressions. And in this way you can make a number of series also. It is a general term, first formula, keep it in mind, and is the introduction of AP. So AP is a series, a sequence rather, a sequence that always follow these conditions, that dependence of the previous term and the next term is always differed by a constant, and like this and a lot of number of there, and this is the general term. So you can find any number of terms, okay, from this, and this is for example from this is the 17 term. Try to understand the very beginning of this, it is very helpful for all of you. Now we'll just continue this video. Important part, that selection of terms, selection of terms in an AP. Selection of terms in an AP is very important. Selection of terms in an AP. see how to do. We just number of terms. Remember this, very important, especially for even I am doing up to 6 term. Number of terms. Number of terms 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. This is the number of terms. Now terms. If you ask to find 3 terms, then always assume this, that first term a minus d, then a plus d. This is very important assumption. If 4 terms, a minus 3d the first term, a minus 3d. So second term a minus d. Then third term is a plus d. A plus d. You have to remember it in your mind. Then a plus 3d. Always remember this. This is important. This is important. For any advanced student, I am also helping to write down for 5 terms what to do. It will be a, suppose a minus 2d, a minus 2d, a minus d, then a, then a plus d, then it will be a plus 2d. For more advanced students, it is a minus 5d first term, a minus 3d, a minus d, then a plus d, then a plus 3d, a plus 3d and a plus 5d, a plus 5d, common difference is what? Common, wait just a minute. Common difference first common difference is what? For this it is d, for this it is 2d, then this is 1 by d, it is d and it is also 2d. See, if you add d, you will get, if you add this, if you 2d plus 2d, d plus 2d, d plus 2d, 3d, then d, a minus d, then d, a plus d. But this part is very important for the student of class 10. Sometime for it may not be asked, but this is important, always remember. But for any students who want to go advance in higher sum, if you remember these assumptions, it will be very helpful and you will get the answer very quickly. You can do in other way also, there are ways, but if you can remember these forms, this format, then it will become very easy to work out the sum. I hope you follow it. This is the introduction. Perhaps okay, there is space. I am doing also a little more of this formula of sums. Just a minute. Now we introduce the sum of the AP series. So sum of AP series is like that. Is sum of an AP series. Sum of an AP. Sum of an AP. So it is the Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Easy. Or you can write, or is n equal to, another formula is there, n by 2 into a plus l where a is the last term is equal to already a plus n minus 1 into d, and it is the first term in the number of terms. So here a first term in numbers of terms and d common difference. So these are actually the important formula, and remember. Now let's introduce AM. Arithmetic mean. If A, B, C are in AP, then implies B minus A equal to C minus B, implies 2B equal to A plus C, or B equal to A plus C by 2. This is the arithmetic mean. Very important. If we ask to show that whether series is in AP or not, we just show this condition is consistent. So to check whether a series is in AP or not, so this arithmetic mean, it is the midway. Between B is the sum of the first term and the last term divided by 2, and it is required. Very important and very important. So anyway, so let write down the important formula. So general term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to a n plus 1 minus a n. Arithmetic mean is equal to a plus c by 2 if A, B, C are in AP. This is arithmetic mean. B is equal to arithmetic mean sum Sn Sn equal to this formula already. This formula. So this is the important formula of all. Write down Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Always keep this, or you can also write down n by 2 into a plus l. L is the last term, already explained here. So this is the important formula. For the beginner, keep it much more, a little more formula may come, but for the beginner, for the beginning, remember these formulas. General term A, this is common difference, this is arithmetic mean, this is the sum. This formula helpful. Hope then in the next video we start our, this is the first video on AP. Follow and frequently see this video, you can understand. So it is APV 1. So arithmetic progression video 1. This is APV 1. Keep it in mind. Thank you very much. Yes. One more thing, and also for class 10 students, remember this already discussed. That is three terms in an AP. What is those? That is A minus D, A and A plus D. D is common, D is common difference, So always remember this. So three terms in AP. Okay. So this is so addition of important formula difference. So you have to remember this also. This is the very starting for the commencement of doing this sum. Starting point is very important. Keep it in mind. It will be very helpful in doing this sum. So these three terms, always keep it in mind. Okay, important. So this set of formula, keep in mind. It help all of the students. We start the video. Thank you very much.